Good morning, all of you. Good morning, and once again, thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos. Today, I am discussing about calculus. Already in last class, I discussed the limits, some concepts and properties, and some example problems also. Now, I will discuss calculus most important, that is differentiation topic. Differentiation topic by using one formula. What is the formulas of differentiation? Okay, from the formula, proof of f dash of x, or nothing at all, dy by dx also. Dy by dx equal to f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This proof I will discuss. After that, I will give two examples. Please listen. This is the most important in calculus. Very important. D by dx. What is the change of function with respect to x? Okay, that is dy by dx. That is not at all f dash of x. That equals to formula limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. By using this concept, so many differentiating formulas are already getting. Okay, already the total formulas from this concept only. D by dx of sin x, d by dx of cos x, d by dx of x power n. Okay, means d by dx nothing but derivative of any function. We can find out by using this formula only. How to get this formula? Proof. Here I am taking, let y equal to f of x is a function, or curve, is a function or curve. Then take a point a p point. I am taking, take a point p a comma f of a, and another point q a plus h comma f of a plus h is right side of p, Okay, this is the statement. Then dy by dx equal to, let y equal to f of x is a function, curve. Then take a point p a comma f of a, another point q a plus h comma f of a plus h. That a is neighborhood point of given function with respect to limit. Okay, that a is limit of the given function, that is neighborhood point. A nothing but h also, a plus h f of a plus h. A plus h already you know. In last class I am discussed. What is the a plus h? That is the right side limit. Okay, right side limit of neighborhood. That neighborhood point I am taken a. That a is the limit. That limit of given function neighborhood point a comma f of a. I am taking diagram like this. Please see that y equal to f of x is a curve. This is the one curve. In xy plane I am taking. In xy plane, here one tangent, because change of the function dy by dx f dash of x means derivation, and means that is how to change with respect to limit applying. After limit applying, how to change given function I am taking. That's why this is the one tangent of the curve I am taking. Tangent of the curve. Here p point a comma f of a. Here q point f a plus h comma f of a plus h. A plus h comma f of a plus h. After that here f of a. Here one tangent I have taken. This is the f of a. This is f of a. This is f of a plus h. That only na, a plus h, f of a plus h. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. It is nothing but it is parallel to y axis. This is f of a plus h y coordinate, and here also y is y coordinate f of a, that is parallel to y axis, that is f of a. These are the f of a. This is f of a plus h. After that Here y equal to f of x I am taken. Here f of a plus h I am taken. After that, here one curve I am taken. Na? That curve, slope of the curve I am taking. Slope of the curve. Slope of the curve. Slope of curve PQ equals to. Here 2 points is there. What is the formula? 2 points is there. P a comma f of a, Q a plus h comma f of a plus h. 2 points is there. What is the formula? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. After that, f of a plus h minus f of a by here a plus h minus a. Here a cancel. Then slope of the curve. How much you getting? PQ is equals to f of a plus h minus f of a by h. PQ equals to. Okay. After that, here limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. How to get? Here a plus h approaches to a. And I'm taking here limit approaches to q approaches to p. This q approaches to p. Q approaches to p means then a plus h tends to a. A plus h tends to a. Q approaches to p. That left side values is there a plus h and a. Then h tends to 0. Then h tends to 0. Then slope of the curve means what is the slope? Slope, how to we have to discuss slope? That is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta nothing but change of function. The change of function f dash of x is equal to and dy by dx is equals to limit p tends to q tends to p, sorry, limit q tends to p. What is the slope of the pq? Slope of pq. This is the definition. Q approaches to limit q approaches to p. I'm taking q approaches to p. Then q approaches to p means what is that? A plus h approaches to a. Then h tends to 0 we getting. After that, f dash of x equal to change of the function dy by dx equal to applying limit of this slope. This given slope how to apply limit. That limit how to apply q approaches to p. Limit q approaches to p, slope of the pq. Slope of the PQ already we got limit Q approaches to P. Here I am taking limit Q approaches to P means how much we getting after applying a plus h tends to a, then h tends to 0. Q approaches to P, replace h tends to 0. Here f of a plus h minus f of a by h. This is the dy by dx is equals to f dash of a, not x here, a, f dash of a equal to, x replace a is there, f dash of a equals to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. Okay, I am taking a replace x, therefore f dash of x equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula of differentiating of one function. This is the concept of differentiating of one function. This is the formula. Remember this formula. This is called, this name is, this function, this total formula name, another name is there. That is called first principle of differentiation. First principle of derivative. First principle also called this one. That is called first principle of differentiation. What is the formula? F dash of x equal to dy by dx equal to limit x tends to 0 equal to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. By using this first principle, so many functions, so many algebraic values, so many any function we can derive to. By using this formula, we can derive to any function. This is called first principle of differentiation. By using this first principle, I am discussing two examples. Please listen. Please listen. Here, I am taking for example two functions. These are also important for exams also, board exams and that competitive exams also. I am taking these two examples. I am taking these two, not at all one trigonometric, one algebraic. sin x and x square. Sin x is trigonometric function, x square is algebraic function. Okay. What is the derivative of sin x? dy dx of sin x how much? By using first principle. And dy dx of x square how much? Okay, please listen. First example. Here dy dx of sin x is equal to f dash of sin x is equals to how much? This is the question. Okay. Here what is the by using first principle? By using first principle. What is the first principle? Now only I am discussed. That is f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Here f dash of x replace what is the function I am taken? Sin x. F dash of sin x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of sin x plus h. F of means sin of x plus h. F of x only, sin x only na. F of x equal to sin x. F of x equal to sin x. Not f dash of sin x, sorry. Means sin x whole dash. Sin x whole dash. Sin x whole dash nothing but derivative. Don't confuse. Sin x whole dash nothing but derivative of sin x. dy dx of sin x equal to f dash of x nothing but sin x whole dash nana. Not f of sin x whole dash. dy dx of sin x is equal to f dash of x equal to sin x derivative of sin x. That's why you taken sin x whole dash. Okay. Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h means here also sin of x plus h minus sin x by h. F of x equal to sin x. F of x equal to sin x. F dash of x equal to here sin x whole dash equal to how much? This is the question. F dash of x equal to sin x. So f of x equal to sin x. Okay. F of x equal to sin x means f of x plus h equal to how much? Sin of x plus h. F dash of f of x replace sin x. After that already I am applied here formula. What is the formula? First principle, limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. After that, here f of x plus h replace sin of x plus h, that is x plus h I am assuming that x plus h is small c and x is I am assuming small d. Again we go to one formula, that is from trigonometry. Already you know sin c minus sin d. What is the formula of sin c minus sin d in trigonometry? Transformations. From transformation, sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This formula apply here. Limit h tends to 0, 2 cos c plus d by 2 means x plus h plus x by 2 sin c minus d by 2 x plus h minus x by 2 by h. After that, here plus x minus x cancel. After that, please listen. Limit h tends to 0, 2 cos 2x plus h by 2. X plus x 2x. 2x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2 by h. After that, separating functions here, limit x tends to 0, cos of 2x plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2. This 2 goes to denominator. This 2 goes to denominator. After this is one form. What is the form here? What is the form? Already you know one formula. Limit x tends to 0. Already I am explained in last class. Sin x by x, that equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. That form only na. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, that is 1. Remaining we get finally limit h tends to 0, cos of 2x by 2 plus h by 2. Here h replace 0. H approaches to 0 na. H replace 0. Then we get cos of 2 cancel. X plus 0. That answer is cos x. Therefore, f dash of sin x is equals to f dash of sin x f dash of x is equal to not sin x, f dash of x is equal to sin x whole dash equal to What is the formula? Cos x. Ante d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. F dash of x equal to sin x whole dash equal to cos x. What is the derivative of sine function? That answer is cos x only. This is the process. Understand? First I am taking first principle. After that here f of x plus h, f of x equal to sin x. Then f of x plus h equal to how much? Sin of x plus h. That's why it replaced. F of x replace sin x. Here sin c minus sin d formula apply. We're getting 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 by h. After simplification, we're getting like this cos of x plus here one formula. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2. This 2 goes to denominator sin h by 2 by h by 2. This value equal to 1. After that limit h tends to 0 cos x plus h by 2. That h replace 0. Then we get cos x plus 0. That answer is cos x. This is d by dx of sin x equal to f dash of x equal to sin x whole dash equal to cos x only. First derivative of sin x. Nothing but cos x. This is the first example. Same process. I am taking second example. Second example. Second example. Here x square. Let f of x equal to x square. Assume that like that. Last f of x equal to last one is sin x. I am taking that f of x equal to x square. From the first principle, what is the formula? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. After that, f of x equal to x square means f of x plus h is equal to how much? X plus h whole square. That only na. F of x equal to x square, x replace x plus h, then f of x plus h equal to x plus h whole square. After that, simplify. Limit h tends to 0, x plus h whole square minus x square by h. After that, limit h tends to 0, x plus h whole square means a plus b whole square formula, x square plus h square plus 2x minus x square by h. Here minus x square is there na. Now plus x square minus x square cancel. Limit h tends to 0, h square plus 2x by 2x, h square plus 2xh na. This is 2xh. A square plus b square plus 2ab na. H square plus 2xh by h. After that, numerator h common. Limit h tends to 0, h into h plus 2x by h. H cancel. Limit h tends to 0, h plus 2x. H plus 2x. After that, h replace 0, 0 plus 2x. That answer is 2x. Therefore, d by dx of x square equal to, okay, f dash of x is equals to 2x. Derivative of x square value 2x. Not directly one formula is there here. That formula also getting from this concept only. Note d by dx of x power n. By using same concept we can solve. You getting like this answer. N into x power n minus 1. Here n replace 2. X square equal to 2 into x power 2 minus 1. That answer is 2x. This x power n equal to n into x power n also, n into x power n minus 1 also, from this formula only we getting. Okay, remember this formula. X power n replace any value. X power 3, x power 4, x power 5, x power up to x power 1000. Any value taken, apply this formula, n into x power n minus 1. That answer is 2x. This is one formula. This is d by dx of x square equal to 2x by using first principle. D by dx of x power n also, after simplification you getting like this only. N into x power n minus 1. This is the first principle. By using first principle, any function, so many functions is there, so many values, any function, any value, derivative of any function we can find from the first principle. From the first principle, by using first principle, we find out derivative of the function. Okay, this is the concept. What is the formula? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay. Thank you. You can solve remaining any function you take and solve in some examples. We're getting answer. Okay. Thank you. Next class I will discuss remaining. Thank you. Okay. Have a good day.